Tackling tough projects is easier with the right gear, and Festool has raised the bar again. This year's lineup brings smarter, more efficient tools that make every job more enjoyable, from cordless saws that cut effortlessly to sanders and table saws built for precision. Each new release packs serious innovation. In this video, we'll showcase 17 brand new Festool tools releasing this December. Whether you're a longtime fan or just curious about what's new, this lineup is one you don't want to miss. One of the toughest challenges in woodworking is achieving a flawless surface finish, and this cordless planer is built to solve it. The Festool HLC 82 delivers a gentle cutting action that minimizes blemishes from the start, reducing rework and saving valuable time. With an 82mm planing width and a powerful brushless EC motor, it maintains consistent performance even at maximum chip depth. Precision is dialed in with an adjustable chip depth from 0 to 2.5mm, while 3 integrated V-grooves and a removable chamfer adapter make chamfering fast and accurate. Add in a 25mm rebate depth capability, and you've got a versatile tool that adapts to nearly any woodworking application. Lightweight, efficient, and engineered for precision, the HLC 82 is a reliable companion for projects where surface quality truly matters. Once your wood is plain smooth, the next challenge is sanding complex shapes without swirl marks or uneven finishes. That's where Festool Granat profile abrasives shine. Designed specifically for precision surface prep on intricate profiles, they feature a soft foam backing with a half-inch layer of flexible polyurethane that molds perfectly to contours, edges, and decorative details like moldings and spindles. Unlike rigid sanding pads, this conforming design delivers aggressive sanding power while maintaining even pressure across raised panels and curved surfaces. Available in medium, fine, and superfine grits, they work equally well on wood, paint, plastics, acrylics, and fillers. The high-performance Granat abrasive ensures fast, consistent results, while the optimized dust extraction hole pattern keeps your workspace cleaner. Compatible with Festool Random Orbit, Delta Finish, and Orbital sanders, these abrasives make precision sanding effortless. Sanding overhead or in tight spaces is tough enough without cords tangling at your feet. The Festool ETSC 2150 solves that problem as the first battery-powered, one-handed eccentric sander with an integrated LED light ring for crystal-clear visibility. Powered by an 18-volt brushless EC motor, it delivers 6,000 to 10,000 RPM and maintains constant performance even under heavy loads. The random orbit motion ensures flawless finishes with minimal rework, while variable speed control adapts easily to different materials. Its LED ring offers 3 modes: full brightness, 50% dimmed, or off, adjustable through the Festool app for precision lighting. A carbide-tipped sanding pad brake prevents scratches during spin-up, and built-in vibration protection reduces fatigue during long sessions. Compact, cordless, and engineered for control, the ETSC 2150 brings freedom of movement and professional-grade results to demanding sanding tasks. Fine, invisible dust is one of the biggest hazards in woodworking, settling everywhere and creating health risks long after the tools are put away. The Festool Sys-Air filter solves this problem by capturing particles your dust extractor misses, actively cleaning ambient air with a powerful 400 CFM airflow. It delivers 3 complete air changes per hour in spaces up to 613 square feet, keeping workshops clear and breathable. Portable and job site ready, the unit weighs just 22 pounds and comes in a compact Sys-Air format with an integrated handle for easy transport. The intuitive touch control panel works even with gloves or dirty hands, while 2 fan speeds let you choose between eco mode for efficiency or maximum mode for aggressive circulation. Lightweight, practical, and effective, the Sys-Air filter is a smart addition to any workspace where clean air matters. Precision joinery often means tedious measuring and marking, but this cordless domino joining machine changes the game. Its oval-shaped domino dowels combine the accuracy of round dowels with the flexibility of flat ones, resisting twist from the very first connection. The ergonomic spade handle ensures comfort during long sessions, while the upgraded guide frame and column guide deliver rock-solid stability. 4 built-in stop pins allow quick, precise positioning without constant measuring, and the cutter's unique rotation plus pendulum action creates elongated mortises while preventing overheating. The result? Incredibly sturdy joints and a tool built for long life. Bulky corded saws can slow you down on job sites. The HKC 55K cordless circular saw delivers freedom and precision with a brushless EC Tech motor spinning at 5,200 RPM, powered by an 8Ah battery. Thin-cut blades designed for cordless use achieve a 1.6mm cutting width, maximizing efficiency without sacrificing performance. The included FSK guide rail enables repeatable angled cuts from -60 to +60 degrees, while safety features like kickback stop, a built-in guide wedge, and pendulum hood remote control keep operation secure. Lightweight, powerful, and versatile, this saw is built for fast, accurate cuts anywhere. Edge profiles, chamfers, and decorative routing usually demand stationary equipment, but this cordless router changes that game. The MFKC 700 offers desktop-level versatility in a portable system with a long table support and perfectly positioned handle for safe, balanced guidance. Depth adjustment accurate to 1/10 of a millimeter ensures flawless results, while its universal interface accepts multiple router tables for rounding, profiling, rebating, grooving, and flush routing. Tables can be mounted horizontally or vertically at 0 or 1.5 degree tilts, giving unmatched flexibility. A brushless motor with temperature monitoring extends service life, and the quick spindle stop makes bit changes fast. Keeping suction power consistent all day is tough when filters clog. The CT Midi AC solves this problem with an advanced auto-clean function that automatically clears the main filter, maintaining high suction without interruptions. Compact and ergonomic, it's ideal for assembly work and job sites. A touch-based control panel replaces old knobs, working perfectly even with gloves or dirt buildup. Bluetooth connectivity allows remote activation from cordless tools, while a smooth, conical suction hose resists snagging and delivers strong airflow. With a robust chassis, level storage area, and internal hose holder, this extractor is portable, organized, and built for demanding conditions. Job sites demand clear visibility, and this cordless construction light delivers 5,000 lumens of daylight quality illumination without cables or tripping hazards. Compact yet versatile, it mounts magnetically to metal surfaces, screws into walls or beams, or attaches to a tripod for complete positioning control. Adjustable dimming lets you fine-tune brightness, while its swiveling housing provides nearly unlimited lighting angles. Built tough, it's shockproof, scratch-resistant, dust-proof, and splash-proof. Powered by any 18-volt Festool battery, except the Ergo, it runs up to 2 hours at maximum brightness with a 4Ah battery, ensuring dependable light wherever you need it most. Sanding tight corners and tricky spots is easier with this compact cordless sander. The ETSC 2125 fits comfortably in one hand with a built-in LED ring that illuminates surfaces even in dim spaces. Its 3.5mm sanding stroke delivers smooth, professional finishes, while the 4Ah battery keeps you working without interruptions. Compatible with Festool's 18-volt system, it's versatile across setups. Low height makes it comfortable for overhead or flat sanding, and vibration protection reduces fatigue during long sessions. Simple, efficient, and reliable, this sander gives you freedom of movement and precision results without the hassle of cords. Edge trimming on cabinets, countertops, or flooring can be messy and time-consuming. The OFKC 500 cordless edge router makes it smooth and precise. Lightweight and well-balanced, it stays steady during long sessions, while the guide rail system ensures straight, professional-looking cuts every time. Quiet operation and low vibration reduce fatigue, and the cordless drive adds agility for tricky corners or tight spaces. Whether cabinetry, flooring, or detailed woodworking, this router delivers clean, consistent results with less stress. When standard routers aren't enough, the MFKC 700KA steps in for heavy-duty jobs. Perfect for shaping thick materials or flush trimming veneered edges. It stays stable thanks to its ideal center of gravity. Anti-static dust extraction keeps chips clear, while the brushless EC Tech motor delivers powerful cordless performance. Adaptable to custom woodworking or large-scale projects, this router combines precision, reliability, and flexibility to handle challenging materials without slowing you down.
Concrete and masonry demand serious power, and the KHC 18EB cordless rotary hammer drill delivers. With 2.6 joules of impact energy, it drills fast and efficiently, while the pneumatic hammer mechanism ensures durability. Switch easily between hammer drilling, standard drilling, screw driving, or chiseling, all in one tool. Compact and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue during long sessions, making tough drilling tasks easier whether on-site or in the workshop. Overhead work can wear you down, but the ExoActive EXO-18 exoskeleton provides support where you need it most. Lightweight and fully adjustable, it fits different body types and tasks, reducing strain on shoulders, neck, and arms. Ideal for drywalling, painting, wallpapering, or ceiling installations, it helps you stay productive and comfortable. By taking the load off your body, it makes demanding jobs more manageable, letting you focus on precision and quality instead of fatigue. Drilling in tight spaces or on uneven surfaces doesn't have to be a struggle. The MB40 mobile drilling attachment transforms your Festool drill into a portable drilling station, delivering precision anywhere you need it. With adjustable stops and depth settings up to 50 millimeters, readable in both millimeters and inches, you get consistent accuracy hole after hole. Whether vertical, end face, or repeat drilling, this compact unit handles it all, even on walls, floors, or ceilings. Quick setup and easy mobility keep workflow smooth, while integrated dust extraction maintains a cleaner workspace. Ergonomic design reduces fatigue, giving you more control and longer working sessions without strain. Surface prep on concrete, stone, or tile is tough work, but the RG130 diamond grinder makes it cleaner and easier. Powered by a brushless EC-Tech motor, it delivers smooth, uninterrupted grinding performance anywhere. The durable diamond disc removes coatings, adhesive residue, or levels rough areas efficiently, creating a perfect base for finishing. Connect it to Festool's CT36 AC HEPA or CT48 AC dust extractors, and most dust is captured before it spreads, keeping your job site cleaner. Ergonomic design reduces fatigue, giving you longer, more comfortable sessions. For professionals tackling heavy grinding tasks, this cordless grinder saves time, improves precision, and ensures results that look consistently professional. And that wraps up our look at 17 brand new Festool tools designed to push woodworking and construction forward. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button. We'll keep you bringing the latest releases as soon as they hit the market. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps shape future content and sparks great discussions in the community. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the tools that make every project easier, faster, and more precise.